Welcome to WP Cliff Notes, where we teach and grow the WordPress community. I truly believe that WordPress is the best content management system in the world today, and it can be used for any web development project. Guys, my name's Cliff Kennedy, and I am a front-end web developer. I have been around WordPress for the past 10 years, and I have been developing websites with WordPress since version 2.9. I also have been developing websites for agencies here locally in my area for the past several years. I post videos every Wednesday, so if you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to receive weekly videos of everything I post. If you are subscribed, you'll receive tips, tricks, and hacks to further and make your web development career better. If you like theme and plugin reviews, advanced custom field plugin development videos, and just WordPress functionality explained, or just anything WordPress related. If you are interested in WordPress, take a look around on my channel and I will catch you in further videos. Later.